Hey there, folks. Chuck here. And, well, yeah, let's address the elephant in the tagline. Yeah, lost my job today. So that was the bad news. Good news is, I got this really nice package in the mail from Chris over at SK75Works in England. Again, it arrived very quickly for being ordered from England. So yeah, this is a nice little pick-me-up. So, long story very short, I was with a very cool company for about 9 months after being with a really not cool company that kind of kick-started the depressive cycle that kind of led to this channel. So I kind of owe that company a little for that. And then I ended up at this company, which was a lot better. A lot better culture. But unfortunately, in an industry that was very, very affected by COVID. And I liked them, they liked me, but what they had hired me to do was becoming very difficult to do in our current situation. And as the new wave spikes, yeah, it was becoming pretty clear that unless I was a miracle worker, I was not going to be able to do what they had hired me to do. So we parted ways bittersweetly. They are open to rehiring me at a later date, possibly at a different position. But, you know, in the meantime, I've got, I'm going to hide that because well, there's no need for you to see that. But I appreciate that Chris always leaves a little note for me when I order from him. I've got y'all, and I've got this channel, and I've got my patrons who I really appreciate, and I've got some commissions that I've been meaning to get to, and it looks like I will have some time to do that. So I placed this order before I knew everything was falling apart, obviously. But Chris has some new stuff in the shop, and I was really excited about it, and wanted to be one of the first people to show it off. And he had a special going in November, so it was too good to say no to. So, and I always love new stuff in 1/64 scale, because I feel like this has been a very underlooked hobby for a long time. And, yeah, so really excited about these. These are some very cool shelving kits that he made that fit together like this. It's amazing. So a lot of, you can just tell how much work went into this with little tiny supports and cross pieces to make this look like real industrial shelving. So very impressive. I think there's someone at the door. I'll be right back. Wipe transition, and we're back. So yeah, he's got these tire racks as well. Just very cool setup. Although, wait a second. Alright, that's a tire rack. That's a shelving unit. So you got it mixed up. No biggie. I ordered quite a few of them because I've got quite a few of his buildings. So I'm going to need some stuff to put in them. So anyway, my family and I are going to be okay. We're sorting out some options. I'm going to be doing some contract work, hopefully here in a bit, from my day job experience. And I got another one of these just because I love this one with the pegboard. So, so thank you all for keeping us in your thoughts and prayers. I'm going to work on these commissions. I've got some more stuff. If you want any decals made or anything 3D printed off of Thingiverse and you need someone with a 3D printer, let me know. I'll be happy to help you with that. Got these as well. These are really cool. And also, open season on commissions with, I like that. That's a very nice touch. So if you want something built, shoot me a email at flyingvaliant@gmail.com, and we'll talk options. So, okay, cool. So there's all the little fine details of the shipping container. And Okay, so he's done it in layers. That's interesting. So that's how you get the ridges. I was wondering how he would do that. But yeah, and again, you know, I know it goes without saying, but to my patrons, you are amazing, and I am so grateful for all of you. Again, this channel wouldn't exist without the amazing people who have stood by me and supported and watched and shared and, you know, followed me on Facebook and Instagram and left nice comments, and I'm so grateful for all of you. So yeah, while I'm figuring stuff out, I should have a little more time around the house to work on things, and that's going to be so cool. So yeah, keep in touch. You can follow me at Flying Valiant on Facebook and on Instagram. You can find those links in the description. I'll be posting more updates there. I'll be posting more updates on my Patreon. I've got some exciting stuff coming because I had started gearing up, because ultimately I did want to get to where I could do something crafty full-time, whether that was for YouTube or on my own. And I've got some tools coming, and I've already got some tools in my supply that I could be using to make some really cool stuff and maybe be my own boss someday. Who knows? It's a crazy dream, but you know, I want to make it more than that. So I will definitely be keeping you all posted. I've got a brand new build coming up very soon. That is a commission. Hoping once I get these commissions out of the way, I'll be back to doing more group builds. I really miss those. Those are some of my favorite challenges because they push me to do stuff that I don't normally do. And I really enjoy the community there. So, you know, Chris, you're amazing. I'm very excited about all of this. So you can tell, obviously, these are like multiple kits because he has it. So I think you can order like 5 or 10 or whatever. I'll link to the site description, but it's, you know, for the money, even with the shipping, it was still worthwhile with the, especially with the 20% off, 25% off that he offered in November. So I know that's past now, but you know, his stuff is definitely worth the money. Please check his stuff out. Please support him. He's in a similar boat where he's working to make this his day gig, and I think that's amazing. He is super talented, as you can plainly see by the detail in this stuff. So he really can use some support as well. So please drop by and show him some love. And, you know, again, even if you can't contribute to the Patreon, or if you can't buy stuff from me or order commissions, the best thing in the world that you can do for me is subscribe, engage with my content, share it, and, you know, spread the love of Diecast. So anyway, that's the update from here. As always, I want to thank you all for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.